Dear friends, did you know a sudden sharp pain in the testicle can be a medical emergency that threatens fertility in just a few hours? It's called testicular torsion. It happens most often in boys aged 12 to 18, but it can occur at any age, even in newborns before birth. In today's video, we will break down the causes, warning signs, how doctors diagnose it, and the treatments that can save the testicle. What is testicular torsion? Testicular torsion happens when the spermatic cord, the cord that carries blood to the testicle, twists. When this happens, blood flow to the testicle and the surrounding tissue stops, which can permanently damage the testicle. Without quick treatment, the testicle can become permanently damaged. Testicular torsion causes and risk factors. So, why does this happen? Important causes of testicular torsion include 1. Bell clapper deformity. In this condition, some men are born with where the testicle isn't anchored well, so it can rotate more easily. 2. Sudden movements or minor injury. These may occur during sports or even while sleeping. 3. Rapid growth during puberty. Teenage years are the most common time for testicular torsion. 4. Cold weather muscle contraction. A quick temperature drop can cause the cremaster muscle to tighten suddenly. Testicular torsion symptoms. Here are the red flags you should never ignore. Severe sudden testicular pain. This often wakes you up from sleep. Swelling or redness of the scrotum. Abdominal pain. Nausea or vomiting. Testicle sitting higher than normal or at an unusual angle. Frequent urination. Fever. Testicular torsion diagnosis. To diagnose testicular torsion, doctors usually rely on physical examination and an ultrasound with Doppler to check blood flow. But if torsion is strongly suspected, surgeons may skip imaging and take you to the operating room immediately because time is critical. Testicular torsion treatment. The treatment of testicular torsion is almost always emergency surgery. The surgeon untwists the spermatic cord and restores blood flow. Both testicles are usually stitched to the scrotal wall to prevent future twist. This is called orchidopexy. If the blood flow has been cut off too long, usually more than 6 hours, the affected testicle may need to be removed. If you or someone you know ever experiences sudden testicular pain, consult with your doctor immediately. Quick action can literally save a testicle and protect future fertility. For more health tips and myth-busting videos, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.